Welcome everybody. So today we will be discussing about the order by clause. The order by clause allows you to sort or to arrange the table elements according to any order, like it may be either in ascending or descending order, and it may be applied either to numbers or alphabets. So let's see one of our tables, like the student table. Let's see what is there in our table. So we have selected all the records from our table. So by having done these, we can see that the default ordering of MySQL is ascending order. As you can see, it starts from 001, 002 up to 10. So this means that the default is ascending order. We may apply the order by clause to any column, like we may do it to the SID column, to SNAME, to SCGPA, to email, any column. So let's apply it for our SID. Since it's in ascending order, let's reverse it so that we have it in descending order. So we have our select all from our student table and order by SID, and we need to specify whether it should be in ascending order or descending order. So we write dash to mean descending order. So as you can see now, we have SID. It starts from 10 up to the first. We may do the same like for the names, like let's say we want to have the names arranged in ascending order. So for that, let's say select it may be all from student, order by column name is as name. So here we have the names ordered in ascending order. We may do the same for CGPA, for email, any kind of value. So this is how you may apply the order by clause in your MySQL database tables.